Wonderful me makwaba at the Adom TV. Jumadi we Nkuranhyensem emre jumadi. Me am ti dwamu amedi jumadi ho chia me edi am je so Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego. Me da se pa se wode afidi ato a. Ma me no mienu nkambo mu ne yemfa na ase soronko emma ne wo soro agenkwa no na yenka se pa pe ye da wase. Se woni ade ne yie. Wa dum nti ne ete ase je wo na ase. Waka medase. And this is the second part of the factory of life. So my church said, and you may be a Ubian or baby, I know. But watch our bo. Me lens a share, Matadi a share, your baby, I know. Was so a brabono our factory. Now, no, sometimes need to go better than some brabo factory. And a junior or junior. If you lose your job, if your marriage is threatened, if things are not going right, you will say that things are not going to be easy. Say, Ebia, what you must say, and I won't hear you my and now I worry to see, and my who do any, and I encourage you in fear more. Says Kasamaya Basa, the Ayata can say, ye with the is you, with the Mebreu, better than my Jumafro, better than my worry ye, sans some water catch it a one. Ebemu amount. What you think you get. Nyawunya who say, whatever you hold in your soul, adebia a daughterokrano, a bawa brabum. Whatever you hold in your soul becomes products that you produce in your life. Your soul is made up of your thoughts, your emotions, and your willpower. Whatever you hold in your soul, you manifest and you achieve it, good or bad. And the emra woka say enye easy, enye na say who produce so. Your fears and thoughts of not going to have it easy might be true. Oh, say me suro say enko ye na be no kre. But kai hunu say adwuma bi abontene wa betimi anya. Kai hunu say aware papa bi wa betimi anya. Ka won se abrabo wa ba betime bu ka won se mpunche bu ode mawo na ka won se abrabo ba emre ko se obadwina adwenpa no adwen safata ho. Never lose hope. When your marriage is down, don't lose hope. When you don't have any work to do, don't lose hope. When things are difficult, don't lose hope. Your thoughts will create your experiences. If you lose hope, you think negatively. If you lose hope, you think it's not going to be easy. And when you think that way, yes, it's not going to be easy. But think positively. Achia nemuye akade oho ametimi apen na mai ne yie. Enkoye de enti enkoye ne ye weni e de na metimi aya be koye. Ensem fata de na mefa so aya ebesa fata. Sabe ebo na paya yempam. Ebo na paya yempam. Na onipa wabra body tete pansam said ya betimi ahyehye na foforo. Do not limit yourself by what you think. Do not hurt yourself by what you think. Wa adwene a wodwene na ma oyawdie edorwo. Adwene a wodwene na ma mmereyo ebeyo hoho. Adwene a wodwene na ma bufuo ba. Na no obi ka asem anya kire wo no ede na ma obufu ye. Ne o ka kire wo ho na kenya bufuo. Na no wo sha baba wa bi a wo se baba we de ne ho fe. Ye we de henim pokuya we de minyana meto no e kenya wodo wakoma mu na akose ne pe chese adwene abadwene bia na hyase ene ne abaye enti mra enkoyi no dwadwempa enkoyi atete apansam enso megidi se menya akande ne suahunu na me de kama brabo ho a ebeye empo onipa arebo ne boko satafre so ya na ho sabe so nkonsuo ni ekura obetimi agya no to baabi. There are people in our lives who have become poisonous. That no matter how we think positively, they will create toxicity for us. Let them go. Now, the mechanics actually will be say, "Yankopon say awade de, ni awaka bomu no, me and team na me say Yankopon e ka aware tu." O ware na Yankopon ho. Be man say open no, o de tu Yankopon anim. We share oba no bo mpa papa we na me pe no. Bo na makosha mantwe bi na mawade na se bi suban finish oban bone. Adware mu ho se Yankopon de aka to mu no, me and team. One na ka Yankopon na ka bomu. Onyame won ka nipa mbum una ade wo pe ekope nipa no enti enkoyie na atete apansam na edi wonya na wagyamu na nse dia ba ne se mema twe sekan na ode tata ma mema twe tuwa na ode tata ma enye suban papa. I will condemn it with every energy I have. Let us grow up in our emotions. And before we can grow up in our emotions, it means we need to have knowledge and wisdom in our minds. So ben bi abede na die no susu ho kane, odwene ho kane, na odwene ho a ekanya watenka, na watenka ekanya woni ye. Your thoughts can act like chains that will tie you to the ground. Adwene abegine betimi aka wahye. And your thoughts can become like wings that will take you far and above. And now what you have been to ebetimi amawatu. Ebi adwene bi ba wadwene mu a Bisaon said, these thoughts, are they thoughts that are chaining me to the ground, or are they thoughts that will make me fly? Adwene me adwene fa me ho kani ho. Adwene me adwene wa adwuma mu a. Adwene me adwene fa ma brabo ho nyina no. Eye adwene be ka me ahye akekere me. Na adwene be sane me na amamatu. It is your choice to entertain the thoughts you think about. To me nyina ekura ho. Ene de am no ka say. To me a odba dwene adwene ba dwene nyina ya wo dia. Emfa ho de esi wa brabo mu. Emfa ho de ekoso wo abusua mu. Emfa ho de ekoso wa wade mu. Emfa ho de ekoso wo man mu a. The only thing you possess is the power to think. The power to think. I know the new being some ekurao. And you need to replace every negative thought. Yes, thoughts can be automatic. Ebu a wushia ade na nya na ba, hey my bro, e ba na sa sakra wadwene mu. Remember that happy and good life starts in the mind. A happy and a good life starts in your life, in your mind. So it's a sad and a bad life. Abrabo ehutwa awade edimu adesua emani pa konkan adwumapa ya adwumadene na hyase ene adwene ayadwene anapa me sorry ye na rendo of frame ni apostle ene ebe program o me se meba o kenya me atenka na ekenya me na me nda so ne se me kwa koye program nti na wa madwene ponta me tu car na mabai esan asem o kato madwene pro so no ekenya atenka bi okay na bekache na say rendo of na dia mabre o me ho mfa me bo se na ma ebota na me da ho na ni ha ka me na mada na okenya me no ne nyina so ne ma me so me ka kire me ho a ekenya me abrabo won kenya egina wadwen proso e na wabo mfiayo e na omre yo egina wadwen proso enkoyie aticha pansam ayedne asay enu nkire se enyeyie ne ye die enyina so ene adwene abadwisa hye adwene efiri ne da eko wo se eden atosin obetimi ahye ne ma achia nenso emui kwan bia so no obetimi atene no sabe de okonsuo ena bo anyina se wato na muntuo na bibia ankoyi a emba ho abomfia emba ho sobo hye ho den na hye ho kuran na ka che ho se bibia megina ya metehwe no mesori biom na makenya mabrabo na mabrabo aye krabehe obi onyankopon bo obi na oba ma yedie oba ma so bedi nkunim na to da bia ya adwene ena eba na basa onyame nhira wate onyame nhya wodne na oma wadwene enore adwempa Nkuranhyensem ne yedie nsem ne ensem asafata enya bufuo oyawdie atete ne empo abomfiasem emparo omame na frankase na me na Enoch we na sound any camera na me na MCR lighting and a floor manager se na me na empo me producer Randolph and Eja Webek Ampedu se Sandra ho a me nchia no gidi se no ho ye onyame enka ho se onya akwanhwe ame koso na hwe badwumadwuma die na de eba na doso woni onyame entena makrao